How to set timer on iPhone 14 camera. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. Very first step is that you have to tap the camera icon to open it. Once you are here on the screen, you have to just go and swipe it here. And here you will see the timer option. You can see the timer option here. So on the screen you have to click on the clock icon. Just go and click on the clock icon. Once you are here, you have to choose the option. So here you can see that there is three option: 3 second, 5 second, or 10 second. So choose your timer duration. After choosing your timer duration, depending on how much time you need it, so you have to set off for your phone for a shot like this, and just go and click on the circle. And after that, timer will start it, and you will successfully capture a picture like this. Here you can see that. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.